YONO is also suitable for various creative techniques. For example, the watercolor technique. The ink can be mixed with water when it is wet, which allows great watercolor effects to be achieved. The best result is achieved on special watercolor paper or on canvas. After application, paint over the still wet paint with a wet brush, but don't immerse the marker in water. The drying time varies depending on the surface and the use of water. Blending techniques are also possible. The paint can be mixed with another paint while it is still wet. Overpainting techniques are also no problem for YONO, because the paint can be painted over again at any time after it has dried. This also applies to all other Marabu acrylic paints. Another application is the drip splash technique. If you blow onto the tip or tap it when it's saturated with ink, you can create great spray effects or drips of ink.